Hi everyone, I'm Rob Smallshire
And I'm Austin Bingham.
and we're here to welcome you to our course, Core Python, Classes and Object-Oriented Programming.
We're both founders and principal consultants at 60 North.
Python is, at its core, an object-oriented language. It's no stretch to claim that everything in Python is an object, and in turn, every object is of a particular class. And in this course, you'll learn intermediate level techniques for creating, representing, combining, and manipulating classes in Python.
Some of the major topics we'll cover include defining per class rather than per object data and methods, using properties for graceful upgrade from plain attributes, how to represent your objects as strings for various types of user, method resolution and how this relates to multiple inheritance, transforming classes with class decorators, creating simple data classes.
By the end of this course, you'll know how to create idiomatic Python classes that work the way most experienced Python programmers expect, and you'll have a deeper appreciation of how Python classes can be used to encapsulate data and provide rich behaviors.
Before beginning this course, students should be familiar with the essentials of the Python language, including functions, classes, and modules. This course assumes knowledge of these topics equivalent to what's presented in Core Python Getting Started and Core Python Functions and Functional Programming.
We hope you'll join us on this journey to learn more about Python with the Core Python, Classes and Object-Oriented Programming course at Pluralsight.